Here's how to reset Face ID on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You may need to reset Face ID if it stops working, fails to recognize you, or after changing your appearance. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. Tap Reset Face ID. This removes your existing Face ID data. Tap Setup Face ID. Position your face inside the frame and slowly move your head in a circle to complete the scan. Follow the on-screen instructions for the second scan. Once finished, Face ID will be reset. Make sure Face ID is enabled for iPhone Unlock, App Store, and other apps you use. Clean the True Depth camera, remove face coverings or glasses, and make sure nothing is blocking the camera. Face ID works best in good lighting and when your face is fully visible. And that's it. That's how you reset Face ID on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.